Good morning, welcome to the vlog. I think today's just going to be a day where we get a bunch of crap done, so got to organize the garage a little bit, start working on the trolling motor repair. There's a toilet in the house that's giving us fits, and what else? There's a light bulb that needs to be replaced because when the kids play basketball they say they can't see the goal and that's why they're missing all their shots. I don't know. So right now we're going to Lowe's or Home Depot, one of the two, and Walmart. I gotta grab a few things and let's get this day started. It's a little messy. Whatever. Oh. How do you trip getting into your truck? I'm an idiot almost. How do you trip getting into your car? Yeah. Just got to Walmart. I have to get 3 things. Bottled water, paper towels, and laundry detergent. Let's go. Alright, so I left there with 2 extra things that we needed, so no big deal. I'm trying to stick to the list, but true story, every time I get a cart from anywhere I go, I always pick the one that has that one wheel that kind of flutters and makes all kinds of racket and it's hard to pull. I'm that guy that always gets that one. Anyways, let's get this stuff loaded and we'll be off to the next stop.
But I wasn't grown up in my
Alright, just pulled into Lowe's, so let's go in there and get the things we need. Let me have it. Give it to me. Let me check my list, but I think I have everything. I don't want to get home and then not have it. So screws, they don't have Loctite drill bits, try lube. Alright, so I think I have everything. I'm going to check out and then get back to the house. So we'll catch up with you in a few. Last time I was at Lowe's, I made a comment about people not putting carts back in the bin when they're done with it. For example, that cart mysteriously parked right there. Anyways, if you missed that, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on what to do with your cart after you leave the store. step one. Groceries in the truck. Groceries, whatever it is. And that ends the tutorial on what to do with your cart after you're done with it at the store. You put it in the thing. Shopping cart return. That's what you do. Let's get it. Just got back to the house. We're gonna get the things unloaded. Start with the easiest project first, which is gonna be the light bulb, and then the toilet, which I'm not gonna video the toilet because it's a crappy situation. Get it? Crappy yeah, anyways, let's get to it. The sun decided to come out, which is a good thing. Well, not really a good thing because it's probably going to dry the yard out enough for me to mow, which I'm not a fan of on the weekends. Anyways, toilet's fixed. I had to pretty much just plunge the crap out of it. Get it? Yeah, are y'all feeling my jokes today or what? Anyways, let's get this light bulb fixed. Alright, so we're in the garage, and it's a freaking mess, but I gotta straighten it out to make a place to work on the trolling motor so I can get that repaired, because we have a couple tournaments coming up in the next few weeks, and yeah, so where do you see this? It's embarrassing, but I want to almost have the trash people bring in one of those rollaway dumpsters, put all this in it, and then have them roll it away, just so I don't have to see this ever again. And it's my fault, but still, oh god. Anyways, here we go. Okay, so here's where we were at. I'm feeling a little accomplished right now, even though I have a long way to go, but I got both workbenches cleared off. I got the area around it cleared off, swept up, cleaned the ceiling up a little bit because there was these long-legged creature, I don't know what they do, they just hang out there all the time, but anyways, cleared out a bunch of that. And so now I at least have a pretty decent workplace to work on the main project, which is the trolling motor repair, so check it out. Alright, what do you think? Looks pretty good. I think I did a pretty, I don't know, halfway job because I still have so much left to do, but it's going to give me enough room to do a couple little projects here and there. Anyways, I got a lot of other things to do. I still have to edit this video. I need to get some exercise in, and my feet are killing me. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that thumbs up, and leave a comment below if you want to see anything else. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Love you. Peace.
But I wasn't grown up